Introducing the step-by-step guide to adding a payment method to your P2P account on the BitNasdaq platform. Step 1. Log in to your BitNasdaq account. Step 2. Access the P2P Trading platform. Step 3. Go to the Payment Methods section. Step 4. Choose a payment method. Step 5. Fill in the payment method details. Step 6. Verify and confirm the payment method. Step 7. Complete the verification process, if it is applicable to your selected payment method. Step 8. Confirm the payment method. Step 9. Start using the payment method. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy seamless P2P trading on the BitNasdaq platform.